watching to see some of the street flooding we encountered on Sanibel after Tropical Storm Debby brushed up against our coastline. Also keep watching to see some of the shells and sea life we encountered on the beach after Tropical Storm Debby. On August 5th, 2024, the morning after Tropical Storm Debby passed by the Gulf Coast of Southwest Florida, these were the conditions of the roads and the shoreline on Sanibel Island. Right here, we're driving through patches of flooding along West Gulf Drive. Debby was still a tropical storm when it grazed up against Sanibel and Captiva, causing over 2 feet of storm surge and wind gusts up to 49 miles per hour. You can see here we've arrived at beach access number 7. The Sanibel shoreline was littered with shells and lots of dead starfish. According to the SCCF, our biologists are assessing impacts to sea turtle nests using GPS coordinates to locate nests where stakes have washed away. Our data indicate that nests experience a significant drop in temperature and increased moisture as the tide influenced the clutch. Prolonged inundation can drown developing embryos or wash out eggs, but does not necessarily mean a complete loss. Sometimes a brief washover has a beneficial cooling effect. The entire beach was covered with dead starfish, absolutely the most dead starfish I've ever seen on the beach at one time. Even though the storm had mostly passed by this point, we were still seeing lots of wind and small bands of weather as the tail end of Debby passed through. In these video clips, we're back driving through the flooded areas of West Gulf Drive. This is some more flooding on West Gulf Drive. Lots of these are condo and hotel properties still rebuilding from Hurricane Ian that hit on September 28, 2022. As you can see here, there was also some significant flooding along the mixed-use path on Tarpon Bay Road. And before we let you go, here's one last look at the piles of shells and starfish on the beach at Sanibel. If you enjoyed this video, we're hoping you'll click the subscribe button, and if you'd like to see more content like this, visit us at sanibelbarometer.com.